Right, so let me show you how to enable or disable data roaming on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. So if you go into settings and then under settings, go to mobile networks. If you scroll down, you will see data roaming. So if you tap on that, then you can see you have international roaming. So you want to tap on that. You can choose always so that anytime you're roaming or you're going to a different country, it automatically turns on data roaming or international data roaming. Now, once you turn it on, you can set limits for while roaming. So you can actually enable that and set data limits. So for instance, you can set to 1 gig so that your data roaming does not consume more than 1 gig. And you can also choose what happens when that limit is exceeded. Now, you can also choose for exceptions only. And if you turn that on, you can choose to have data roaming for specific applications. So let's say you want to use WhatsApp when you're roaming, you can add it to that list. Let's say you want to use YouTube. Now, all these other apps will not be able to use data roaming. So only the apps, only the exceptions that you've chosen will be able to use data roaming. So you can actually sort of curate it so that most of the apps do not use data roaming, only the apps you want to access data roaming with, right? Now to disable data roaming, again, it's the same process. You go there, go to data roaming, and then you want to come here and select under international roaming, tap on that, and then select never. And that's going to disable mobile data roaming. Thanks for watching. Good luck.